Not everything needs to be open, but we do need to be transparent and careful.
Our runway as a species has shortened.
Once they take control, there's really no longer anything the human race can do.
How to avoid extinction by AI. There's a few simple principles that I want to talk about that can greatly reduce the chance of human extinction. If you design artificial intelligence with humans in the loop, then the humans have an opportunity to convey their values and reinforce their values to the artificial general intelligence on an ongoing basis. If you had a system that achieved artificial general intelligence partly by leveraging the intelligence of humans, so that the humans had to be there, at least at the beginning, then that's a really, really good way of ensuring that those humans have a chance to constantly inject their values.
One thing I believe really deeply is that getting AI right is going to require participation from everyone. And that's for deciding how we want it to slot in. That's for setting the rules of the road for what an AI will and won't do. And so we all have to become literate.
Another way to influence it is in the design of the systems themselves, because we don't have artificial general intelligence yet. It still is to be invented.
I believe it's possible to develop AI systems that are provably safe and beneficial, that we can retain control over, that actually want to be switched off. That's a really important thing, right? If we want to switch it off, it needs to want to be switched off.
You don't have to be a scientist or an AI researcher to begin making your voice heard. Just insist that certain things are done. Let the researchers worry about how they do it and the technical implementation details, but there's certain principles that we should insist upon. One of them is that humans are in the loop, and the other is that it has democratic AI values. We should not allow a very small group of humans to say, we get to decide what's right and what's wrong, and we'll tell the AI what's right and wrong.
It's not one person's interest, it's not one set of values. There's 8 billion of us, so there's 8 billion different preferences about the future. And how do you trade those off? And this is a 2,500-year-old question, at least.
And then the last thing is that we should not be designing AGI the way we currently are, which is this separate intelligence that we feed data into and then it develops and we have no idea how it works. The vision that I have for a safer design of an AGI system is one that includes humans in the loop, it includes the values of everybody, and in the beginning the humans are actually doing a lot of the thinking and problem solving right along with the AI, and eventually the humans are contributing very little in terms of brain power, but they still are contributing in terms of heart power. They are still the source of the values, which leads to the next topic. Should we pause or slow down AI research? Check the next video to find out.